Hello everybody, it's Nikki. Welcome to today's Wasabi live stream lesson. Today we will look at Japanese English, also known as Japanglish. The correct Japanese term is Wasei-Eigo. Wasei-Eigo refers to Japanese expressions which were created in Japan by borrowing words from overseas. Wasei-Eigo is different from Gairaigo, which are loanwords. The biggest difference between Gairaigo and Wasei-Eigo is that Gairaigo usually retains its original meaning, while the meaning of Wasei-Eigo is not quite the same as its original definition. For example, Japanese word pen refers to a pen in English. So this is Gairaigo because it makes sense in both languages. But anketo in Japanese, it means a questionnaire in English. So anketo is Wasei-Eigo. Today we will go over 6 Wasei-Eigos terms together. こんばんは。今日もわさびライブストリームレッスンを見てくださってありがとうございます。ミキです。今日のレッスンでは和製英語をしていきます。和製英語とは何のことかお分かりですか？和製英語とは、英語をもとにした日本製外来語と辞書には書いてあります。どちらもカタカナで表記されることが多いので、語源は英語ではないけれど、英語だと思って使っている人も多いので、注意が必要です。和製英語はよく外来語と間違えられますが、実は違います。和製英語は外国語をもとに日本で作られた言葉なので、元々の語彙の意味とは全く違ってきます。例えば、ペンは英語で a pen ですが、アンケートは英語では a questionnaire と言います。なので、アンケートは和製英語です。今日は和製英語を6つ一緒に勉強していこうと思います。それでは始めましょう。Let's begin. So first, tension. Tension. As you might have guessed, tension derives from the English word tension. But in Japan, tension refers to a person's mood or the energy level of a person. So this word is often used with takai, high, and hikui, low. Unless there is a positive statement before or after this phrase is used, tension ga takai carries a negative connotation. Let's look at the examples. 朝からテンション高いね. Its literal meaning is you have very high level energy from the morning. And it translates to you're so hyper from the morning. Or どうしたの? テンション低くない? Its literal meaning is what's the matter? Isn't your energy low? And it means closer to what's the matter? Are you feeling low? The second word is Salaryman. Salaryman might sound familiar to you. Some might think it's the same as salaried workers. It is not totally wrong, but the Japanese word salaryman has a different nuance. Rather than the salary-based businessman, Japanese salaryman is closer to the meaning of a regular company employee. If you're interested, I recommend you to look up Salaryman Senryu. It is like a short poem written by Japanese salaryman, and those poems describe how a salaryman struggles every day as a company employee in a very comical way. Third, it is waishatsu or Y-shatsu. Y-shirts refer to business shirts or dress shirts, while the word T-shirts while the word t-shirt makes sense since the t-shirts form a shape of an alphabet T. However, Y-shatsu doesn't have a shape of Y. As a kid, I've always wondered why I should call business shirts Y shirts, even though there's no obvious Y shape on Y-shatsu. Some say that Y-shirt's name derived from white shirts. So, Y-shatsu no botan ga hazureta means one of the buttons came off of my business shirt. The fourth one is Viking. Viking. This term refers to buffet, all-you-can-eat style restaurants. You do not have to be scared when someone tells you that they're going to a Viking-style restaurant. There's no helmet with thorns or axes. Viking-shiki restaurant, Viking-style restaurant, means buffet. The fifth one is mansion. Mansion. When Japanese people say that they live in mansion, they don't mean that they live in a large, impressive house. Mansion is nothing more than a type of apartment complex in Japan. In addition, there is a bit of confusion around vocabulary apato and mansion. So apato is from the English term apartment. The difference between apato and mansion is their construction. Apato is usually wooden, structured using light steel materials, and is only two to 3 stories high. Meanwhile, mansion is usually high-rise residential building, which uses heavier concrete materials with thicker walls. Okay, so the last one is fronto. Fronto. It comes from the English word front, but it usually indicates the front desk of hotels. In other words, it means a reception desk. If you want to say where is the reception desk of a hotel, you can just say ホテルのフロントはどこですか? ホテルのフロントはどこですか? Well, there you have it. Learning Wasei-Eigo can also make your communication in Japan a little bit easier and fun. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next week. 皆さん、ご視聴ありがとうございました。また来週会いましょう。さようなら。